Now today I'm going to be making chocolate brownies. Now these are going to be Nutella chocolate brownies and we're only going to use 3 ingredients. Really simple to do and they taste scrummy, so give them a go. So for making these brownies, I'm just going to quickly go through the 3 ingredients. Now I've got 1 jar of Nutella. Now mine's a 400 gram jar, 2 eggs, and I've got 60 grams of self-raising flour. Now 60 grams is roughly half a cup. Now all we're going to do is pour it all into a bowl, give it a good mix, and then it's ready to go in the oven. Now first of all, I'm just going to put the Nutella in there. Now what you can do, if you find it difficult to get out of the jar, just pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it just comes out a lot easier. But don't overdo it. So just get all that chocolate out of the jar. Then we're going to add in the flour, and it really doesn't matter what order you put these in. And then I'm just going to pop in 2 eggs. Now if you want to, you can add just a little pinch of salt. But again, you don't have to. But I find it just slightly raises the flavour. But it's going to put a small pinch of salt, but you don't have to, that's optional. Now what I'm going to do is just give this a good mix. You could use electric whisk or you can just do it as I am. Do it by hand with a wooden spoon. And just until everything is nicely mixed together. So I'll just carry on doing that. There you go, got that all mixed up. Get rid of the lumps. And now that is ready to pour in the baking tin. Now it's a good time to put your oven on, so switch your oven on and get that preheated. So now we're waiting for the oven to come up to temperature. Now I've got a baking tin there and I've got some parchment paper which I've just shaped to the shape of the tin, and that will just help later on to obviously just lift it out, so you know when it's all nicely cooked. Now what I am going to do is just give it a very light spray of oil, not much. That'll do. Now if you haven't got the spray oil, just get a little bit on tissue and just wipe it over. Now what we can now do is just literally pour that mixture in and then just smooth it out. So I'll do that. There you go. Job done. That is now ready to go in the preheated oven, just waiting for the temperature of the oven to come up. Now as I say, it's preheated. Temperature wise, I've got my oven set to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 4. Now cook time, I'd say you want to do about 20, more likely 25 minutes. So set your timer and we'll come back in about 20-25 minutes and then we're going to let them cool down and try one. So I've been baking my brownies and we're just coming up to the 25 minutes. So I'm going to pull mine out now. Just turn it off. And let's have a little look. Look at those beautiful brownies. Now I'm going to take them out of the oven, switch the oven off, place them on the table and just leave them to cool down slightly. Now I've left the chocolate brownies for about half an hour. It's not completely cooled down, but it will do. I can't wait any longer. Now what I'm going to do is just pull out the parchment paper, just going to put it on a board. Let's bring that into view. Oh yeah. And again, just very gently, slightly unwrap it, like that. Beautiful. And what we can do is, we're just going to cut them up. So if I do like 1, 3, 4, right, so give them a nice sort of piece each. Lovely. So we've got 12 bits of brownie. Now I'm going to put those on a plate and then we're going to try one. So I've got my brownies on the plate and I'm just going to tuck into one of those. That one looks quite inviting, so let's have a little look at that. That is, gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice and soft in the middle. On the outside, just a little bit chewy, which is nice. It's a great combination. These taste wonderful. 3 ingredients and that Nutella is just beautiful. You can't go wrong with these. They're so easy to make. So, you know, if you've got the munchies or you've got a few friends round and you just want to have something tasty, go and make one of these beautiful brownies. They're absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching my videos, and you know, as always, Go and have a look at the rest of the videos, subscribe, leave the comment, ring the bell, and of course, I'll see you very soon for the next one. Thanks again, the original Naked Chef. Wonderful.